you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicole Concilio, and this is Nicole Richie.
Both Nicoles.
I'm so excited.
Now, how tall are you?
5 even.
Okay, I'm 5'1".
So we're
cute.
Little cuties.
I'm from California.
I'm from New York.
Which is cute because we're
Like
like
coast.
opposites.
Yeah.
We're both a nice olive tone.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And we both have like similar color eyes.
We're like the same.
And we both have good energy.
Totally.
So.
And you know what is really actually something I wanted to tell you? When I was growing up, I had a poster of you in my room.
Oh my God.
And now you're here on my channel.
I'm so
excited. Believe it. I'm so excited.
We're like exactly the same. How old are you?
I'm 25. I just turned 25. It's okay. You look 25.
All right. Well, we'll just talk makeup.
Okay, sounds good. So guys, today we are going to be using the new Petite Heat from Urban Decay. I'm so excited.
Yes.
And we have a bunch of, oh, my nails.
How beautiful is this packaging?
So cute.
It's a warm tone.
Yeah, warm tones. We have our matte shades, and then we have one like little shimmer.
Just a little like highlighter moment.
There we go. Yeah. And it's petite like both of us.
Yes, it is. And nude, like we both like to be.
So I'm going to be doing this today, and then I have a serious question for you.
Okay.
Do you trust me? I know we just met.
In what regard?
I'm going to be blindfolded doing your makeup today, your eyeshadow.
Uh-huh. All right. Well,
are you ready for it?
Yes, I do trust you. I trust you.
All right, sounds good. So we have this nice, really bougie.
No, it's beautiful. It's like silk.
Silk bougie eyepiece here.
That's how I sleep.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I actually
Gonna have
don't,
to.
but it's better if, you know.
Better, just to say it.
Yeah, better just to say it.
So first, guys, I'm gonna be doing her eyes. Or I'm gonna try to do her eyes. My hands are clean, I just washed them.
Okay.
So I'm gonna like feel around a little bit.
Uh-huh, okay.
She's like, I ain't having this, y'all.
Okay.
And then we'll do some mascara. I'm gonna be very gentle.
Blindfold mascara?
I've done this before, don't worry. And some lipstick. We'll finish it off with some lipstick.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
And you also have an amazing TV show.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you so much.
The Great News, right?
Great News, yes.
So funny. I just watched the episode where where Portia was giving Chuck advice on not to be neutral because he changed the tie or whatever.
Yeah,
Someone
how he has to stand for something.
Yeah. And it was so funny. It's so good. It's such a great show.
Thank you so much.
Of course. All right, so let's get into this.
Blindfold.
All right.
I'm right over here.
I'm like, Nicole, okay, these are your shoulders.
Yes, these are my shoulders.
All right, primer first. This is the primer potion, and it comes on a stick.
A nice, beautiful wand. Isn't it beautiful? What do you think?
Gorge.
What do you think of the color?
It's gorge. All right.
Okay.
Can I touch your face?
Yes.
Is this
Here
your
I am.
face?
This is me.
Is this your eye?
That's my eye.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Woo! Is that your eye?
Yes, you got it.
Okay.
Oh my God, you are so talented. That's my eyebrow.
Oh, shit.
But that's okay. No, it's okay.
I'm sorry.
No, we need a little primer.
Okay,
My brows wanted some primer.
I'm gonna blend it out, and then I'll do. Oh, you got such a nice eye shape.
I do?
Yeah, it's like beautiful for.
Do people not have?
Okay, got it.
Okay.
No, sometimes like my sister. No shade to my sister, but sometimes like
Her eyes are ugly.
No, that's not what I was gonna say.
Okay, her eye shape is ugly.
Oh, what was that?
It was something. Not my eye. There's my eye.
Okay, eye. Is that eye?
That is it.
Okay, so then let me blend.
Okay. Your hands do smell really good, I have to say, and I hate hands near my face.
Oh my God, I'm
but
so
yours
sorry.
smells so good and clean, and you've got this like oil like on, and I like the smell of your hands, and I like the feel of them. They're very soft.
They are soft. I made sure. I was like, okay.
Soft. In New York.
I was like, okay, I gotta make sure I'm gonna be touching Nicole's face today, so I gotta make sure I step it up.
I'm happy.
Okay, so now we're in the Petite Heat.
Yes.
Okay, I'm looking for a specific brush. Yes, this is the brush I wanted. Okay, so I'm gonna, 1, 2, 3. Am I in a shadow?
Were you trying to count to 3?
No, I mean, you know, just like.
I would just, there you go.
Oh, thanks, girl. Okay.
Okay.
Eyeball. Okay, that's your crease.
That's my crease.
Okay, we are doing
There
it.
she is.
Back and forth, hunty.
Yes, hunty.
Wow, Wow, it's so weird doing this blindfolded.
I mean, I have to say, I don't know what it looks like, but it feels very profesh.
Oh, okay.
Like, it really doesn't feel scary. I think it's the hand lotion that's put me at ease.
Okay. I feel like once I know where your eyebrows are, then it's like...
Then you can just kind of feel around.
Yeah. That's your crease? Kind
Sure.
of?
Yeah.
Crease.
Crease enough.
Sorry, I'm like touching your head like, good girl, good
It's okay.
girl.
It feels good. I feel like a dog.
So wait, you have a pet like lizard or dragon, right?
I have a pet bearded dragon. His name is
Speedy.
Speedy.
I saw you just give him a bath with your daughter, right?
You know, he has nothing in common with your hands because he's so scaly. He's like the opposite of your beautiful rhinestone fingers.
Oh, thank you. And then I think let's just do one more color on the end here. Or, you know, close enough. So what do you like to do for fun when, you know, when you're not slaying on the TV?
I like to get makeup applied to myself blindfolded. It's a really fun hobby. I like to garden.
Ooh.
And I like to hang out with my chickens.
You have chickens?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, that's so cool. Do you name them?
Yeah, they're so turnt. They're all girls.
Ooh, okay.
One just died.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
I'm so sorry.
She was old. I feel like the mood just went dark.
Kind of. But, you know, rest in peace, little chicken.
Rest in peace, Philomena.
Philomena.
Mm-hmm.
That's a beautiful name.
And you know what? She was a good chicken, so I know she went to chicken heaven.
Oh, yeah.
She laid really good eggs,
Oh, okay.
and then all of a sudden she died.
Oh my God. Well, hopefully she is looking over us right now and guiding me with this tutorial.
She's probably not flying over us because I clipped her wings.
Oh my God. So I think now I'm gonna do the shade on your actual lid.
Can I say it's interesting, but like not bad?
Oh, really?
No, I'm really into it.
It's
I'm very
inter-
into the color. I mean, it's very, look, that's like more credit to Urban, but like you're really applying it like in a very cool, I'm into this.
Modern way.
Yeah, I should go somewhere tonight.
They'll be like, who the hell did your makeup?
I love it.
All right, so now I'm gonna do your actual eyelid, kind of, I think.
Okay.
Ooh.
Now, I have a question. Are you
Yeah.
an artist also? Because I feel like, are you a painter? Do you
Oh,
draw?
I really like to draw. I used to draw a lot when I was younger. I actually was like really obsessed with drawing mice. I don't know why, just like always would draw mice.
Little baby mice.
Yeah, little babies, you know.
I used to have pet mice.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you had like pet everything, girl.
I did.
Are you you're an animal lover, obviously.
I mean, I don't love animals, but I have a lot of them.
Yeah.
I like mine.
Okay.
I loved my pet mice, but I gave one of mine a seed and it choked on it and died. It's the circle of life here on this
this
show.
channel.
This is what we're talking about, the real
The
things.
realness.
Makeup and death.
All right, let me do your lower lash line.
All right, what is that?
You know your lower lashes?
Oh, lower, okay. You're gonna go underneath, all right?
Am I getting there?
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Yep, I'll just help you out.
Okay.
Go, there I am.
Okay, thank you. Am I on your skin?
I mean, my eye skin.
Your skin is so soft, I can't even tell.
Thank you, so is yours.
Thank you.
Do you think it's because our names are Nicole? Like, I don't know
Totally.
a lot of Nicoles, but I wonder if every Nicole has really
Soft skin.
soft skin.
I think you might be on to, is that your chin?
This is my chin.
It's so cute
What do you think?
and little.
It's natural.
I love it.
Should I get an implant?
No.
Okay.
It's perfect.
That's my
Jaw.
that's my jawline.
Oh my God, it's just like mine. It's like pointy like mine.
Ooh, yours. You have a very. Oh, yours is dope.
Thank you.
Yeah, yours is. Mine's.
Oh,
like,
that's your earring.
That's my earring. That's.
Close?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, am I hurting you?
Nope.
Okay. So then let's do some mascara now.
Blindfolded.
Yeah, but I'll just come close to you and
Okay.
you just blink.
Okay.
Wherever the mascara. Is this it? No. This is it.
Yes.
The Troublemaker.
Troublemaker.
That's yours, right?
Hello.
Girl, I'm so upset because I was supposed to go to the party, but I was in New York.
Oh, you should have come. It was so much fun.
I know, and you had your tattoo artist there.
A tattoo artist.
I really wish I was there.
Photo booth.
I know, it looked so amazing. I'm like addicted to tattoos now.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Closer?
Okay, where would you like to go? And then
Your right eye.
okay,
Please.
got it. Here we go.
Are you there?
I'm here.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh, it's crunchy.
My eyelashes?
No, I just felt something weird.
I'm very crunchy.
Am I getting
Okay.
you?
Yeah. Oh, this is amazing.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm in it, right?
There
Oh,
we
now
go.
I'm
There
in
we
it.
go.
Yes. Okay.
Now we know how guys feel. All right.
I'm peeing my pants. I can't take it, guys. Okay. This
Okay.
eye.
All right. Here I go. Here I
Okay.
come. There I am.
Ooh.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay.
This feels intimate.
It feels very intimate. Like
Right?
I'm touching your face.
Yeah,
I'm all up
yeah.
in your eyelashes.
Yeah, we just went somewhere for sure.
Let's find the lipstick, shall we?
Okay. Yep. You got it.
Okay, perfect. Bing.
This is Fuel. This is my favorite one.
Yeah, mine too.
I love it.
Hmm.
Okay, ready? Here I go.
Is this the top of it?
Yes, that's the top.
Like the tip is up here?
There we go.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll come in and I'll touch your, I don't want to touch your mouth.
Okay, okay.
But I'll, maybe you,
There I am.
okay.
That's the bottom. Oh, okay.
Ooh,
Uh-huh.
is that accurate? Something's not
define
right.
accurate.
Something's not right here. Okay.
There I am.
All right. Okay, pucker together.
Oh, you know what? No, this is like how I want to look all the time.
I can't wait to see. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna finish off Nicole with some spray. We got some Urban Decay All Nighter, my favorite. So I will just spritz you.
Ooh, it smells good. Yes. Okay.
All right, let it dry. All right, I'm gonna take my blindfold off. Oh.
I think you did a really good job.
Wait, not too shabby.
I think it's like very cool. It's giving me a little like Bowie, like you know, like it feels like we made some bold decisions.
We definitely,
But, like-
there's definitely
But like,
some,
yeah, that's what we did. You know what I mean?
yeah, like we did that.
Like I would leave right now and go out and be like, yeah, this is my.
you know
makeup.
what? The lips, maybe just.
Yeah, maybe not so much the lipstick in the nose, but right here, it's really beautiful.
It's on.
You know what I mean?
Good. Yeah.
I feel like we're best friends.
I feel like we totally are best friends. Like in like, you know,
in a real way.
in a real way.
And you're Nicole C. I'm Nicole
R.
C.
Oh,
R,
CR.
because it's my middle name.
Yeah.
But what is your middle name?
Danielle.
I don't have any
Scratch
D's
it.
anywhere. So
I don't have any R's anywhere.
Okay.
Well, my dad is an R, Robert.
my dad is a D if we call him Dad.
True.
All right.
There you
so
go.
we're just
Yes. All right, Nicole. So part of being a beauty blogger here on YouTube is the mandatory narcissistic shot to the camera where you just slay all day.
alike. Okay. So it's just like
Just work
you're
it.
done.
You're done. This is the finished look. You are revealing it to the world. Slay it up.
Okay. Do I get a count off or you just
Yeah,
do
I'll
it?
count it. I'll
Okay.
count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, shit! She did not come to play, y'all. Oh yeah, tell them your jaw.
me on my jawline,
Show
so
them
now
your
I'm
jaw.
like feeling myself.
Yeah, jaw. It's real, y'all.
This is real, so is this.
So is her chin. And mine as well. Nicole,
you.
thank
That was so
you.
much fun.
Thank you so much for coming on my channel. It was an honor to get to meet you and hang out with you.
Thank you. I loved being here. I can't wait to come back.
Yay! And I'm so sorry about your chickens.
And my mouse.
And your mouse. All right, guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see Nicole come back and maybe you'll get revenge and blindfold and do my.
Absolutely. And you know what? Maybe by then, another pet will have died.
No!
And we can talk about that too.
All right, everyone. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.